In this video, I'm going to show you the assembly process of the Roadmax Blade Runner 4 hitch mount tray style bike carrier. This one here will do 4 bikes. They do make a 2-bike system, but this is a little bit different because the bikes don't hang down like the traditional kind of L shape. They actually sit on top of this one. The wheels are secured as well as the down tube or the top tube, whichever you prefer. This does fold away, and I'll put a link for Amazon in the description below. And once you take this out of the box, it's basically 2 main components: your assembly manual, some bolts, and a couple tools. Now, just because it's a big bike carrier and it holds 4 bikes doesn't mean you're going to have a lot of parts. Fairly simple to install, so let's get started. Assembly of this is much easier if you put the tube into your receiver hitch. And the first thing you need to do is unscrew this knob right here, pull straight out, and allow the bar to drop straight down. Now you're going to reinstall this turn pin as it lines up with the hole in this hitch, and we're going to put a cotter key on the other side. So the bike tray sections are going to be in 2 halves. You're just going to unfold one, and I'm just going to install one at a time. I'll do the front side first and then do the back one. But they basically unfold. You have these 2 bars here. You can insert those into the middle holes. And then now we're going to get the bolts to bolt this onto the carrier. Now the screws you need to bolt this on are these socket head cap screws with a plastic washer. We're going to insert through these 4 holes. I highly suggest you use blue thread locker, because after vibration over several years, it will prevent the nuts from loosening up, even though the nuts are nylocs. Now on the bottom side of the bolts, you're going to use a washer and a nylock nut. And you're going to use this tool right here with this opening. We'll go over the nut to hold that in place. And then it also comes with a supplied Allen key to hold it in place on the top. Now go ahead and tighten up all these nuts and bolts, but do not over tighten, because remember there are plastic washer caps. You just want to make sure that they're snug. Now that the first cradle is all bolted down, you can go ahead and set the second cradle on top towards the back side. And we're going to bolt this down with the same bolts, same way. Now with these 4 bolts here secured on the rear, I'm going to show you how to assemble the bolt into the hitch so that this does not come out of your receiver. Now it's important which side you put this bolt pin through. As you can see right there, I'll zoom in a little bit, you're going to see threads right there. On this side over here, there is no threads. So if you're looking at the back of the vehicle, you're going to want to thread the bolt through on the right side. The bolt should be going through with the sides on the threads. So you're going to line up this with the hole in your receiver, and then the bolt is going to go through this way. Your lock washer should be on first, then the flat washer. And once your pin's all the way through, you can simply stick your cotter pin on this side here, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Now that the bike rack is fully assembled and ready to use, it is adjustable for kids' bikes all the way up to 29-inch bikes. And you simply just move these cradles in and out. All you have to do is, and it's toolless, all you have to do is loosen these up, and these cradles slide up to here, all the way down to here. As you can see, I slid these down one, and I left those 2 there in the up position. So you could put 2 bigger bikes here and 2 smaller bikes back there. Each one is independently adjusted. This is a e-bike with 29-inch wheels. I've adjusted the cradles all the way out. I've actually got this strapped to this upright bar over here. I'll bring a camera around to the other side to show you that as well. And there's the bike strapped to the upright, and this bike is ready to hit the trails. I'll put a link in the description below on how to buy this off Amazon. Hope you found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.